Senaka Senanayake is one of the most sought-after contemporary artists from Asia. Born in Sri Lanka, his extraordinary artistic ability was evident even as a young child, and he held his first international exhibition in San Diego at the age of 10. He later enhanced his education in art and architecture at Yale University in Connecticut. Senaka has been the subject of more than 150 solo exhibitions in over 18 countries including the United Kingdom, China, Australia, Japan, Singapore, Czechoslovakia, Korea, and Egypt.